Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be showing the 2025 Haulmark 28-foot race trailer. So this is a race trailer that we recently picked up to haul our race car in. So this is Rusty Wallace's race car, and I'm going to be showing you how we load it in here and all of that, as well as a closer look at this trailer. This is an older trailer. It's a 2025 Haulmark 28-foot race trailer that we picked up on Facebook Marketplace. So this trailer is actually a solid choice if you're looking to haul your car or your toys, and so that is why I want to share it here with you today. I'm going to take you on the outside of the trailer first. This is the outside of the trailer. It's all white and it's in pretty good condition. So as you can see, it has two lights that face outward on the side here. It also has an awning. This awning is a power awning, and so you press a button and it opens up. So it's really nice that way. It's got handles here on the back of the trailer. And so we are seeing the back side. This is where you would open up to load your car in, and I will be showing us loading in our race car, so stay tuned for that. And so it has lights, everything like that here in the back. And here is the other side of the trailer so that you can see. This trailer does have a generator, which is really handy when it comes to using it for lighting or for your tools or anything else that you need to plug in and power up. So that generator is behind that little door there. And so that is a really nice feature that this trailer comes with. This is the other side of the trailer, and as you can see, it has a power tongue jack, which is also really handy for towing, and this trailer really handles towing very well. It's smooth and it's very balanced. So I'm going to take you inside of the trailer so that I can show you everything in here. So when I filmed this video, I filmed it right when we got the trailer. We did do a few things to clean it up, but I'm going to show you how it turned out at the very end. We worked hard to clean it and to get it ready for our next trip. We are planning to once again return to the Dream Cruise in Detroit, Michigan, and we were going to be hauling our race car, which is Rusty Wallace's race car, all the way from basically Houston, Texas to Detroit, Michigan. And we're going to be doing it in this race trailer. So I'm excited to share with you that when it comes time. But for now, I'm just going to show you the inside of this trailer, and stay tuned as I show you some of the upgrades and things that we did to make this trailer perfect for us. This is the inside. It has vinyl flooring. It also comes with toolboxes that are already built in and some lighting, air conditioner, and it also has a few little extras with it. As you can see, it does have some cosmetic type stuff that, we could try to clean up. So we've tried to clean some of that stuff up, but all in all, this is going to be a useful trailer for us to use for towing Rusty, which is Rusty Wallace's race car, and also some of our other toys as we are doing some dirt bike races and things like that coming up soon. The toolboxes you saw, the Craftsman toolboxes, and some of the built-in features came with the trailer, and we are going to be stocking them with things that we will be needing on our trip and for any of the adventures that we're going to be going on. So stay tuned so that you can see everything that we outfitted it with. So here once again is the outside of the trailer and some more shots of the back and the side. If you are looking for a trailer to buy to haul your car or some of your toys, I would suggest that this is a solid choice for hauling your cars or your toys.
I've got all my chemicals in a tray. Propane for the barbecue and the stove. Here, my cleaning supplies in a tray. My towels in a tray. Here I've got the Bunn stainless steel coffee pot, the motorcycle chocks for the floor. In here, the weather station, the hooks to the TV for race guides. Down here, the house battery, the air compressor, extension cord. This one has the jack, the shop vac, There's the winch that goes in the floor. That goes in that square. This side's the spare tire. Nothing big there. Then the toolboxes. All the tools. Propane stove, chairs, just your basic stuff in here. Drawers, miscellaneous, coffee filters. Second drawer, utensils for cooking and for barbecuing. And this drawer's all the extra motocross parts for the motorcycle. Has this, they came in the floor, but then I put 8 more starting up front for the smaller loads for the motorcycles and 4-wheelers. Generator controls are here, and then the air conditioning and heat up above on the roof. Yeah, so this is for 12-volt lights when it's hooked to the truck. This is the automatic awning for outside. This is 110 lights in here, and this is for the 110 floodlights outside under the awning. It turns into a workbench, or you can put the barbecue or the camp stove there.